There's a moment in life where you wake up and feel something shifting inside you. You don't say it out loud, you don't even fully admit it to yourself, but you feel it. That quiet voice saying, I can't keep living like this. And most people ignore that voice for years. They push it down, they drown it in routine, in alarms, in bills, and responsibilities, in the same cycle they've been living for decades. But the truth is, that moment, that tiny whisper, is the first sign that you're meant for more. And if you're watching this right now, you've already felt it. It's why you're here, it's why you're listening, and it's why your life is never going to be the same again after this. Because for a long time, I thought I was supposed to be okay with the way life was going. I thought being tired all the time was normal. I thought being underpaid was just how it is. I thought stress was just part of adulthood. I didn't realize I was slowly letting my potential die inside of me because I was too afraid to question the path everyone told me to follow. I'm Dan from Michigan, and I help everyday men and women make seven figures online without having to work a job. But before I ever built anything online, I was just another guy trying to survive in a world where hard work didn't automatically equal success. I worked long hours for years. I did everything they told you to do. Show up, be loyal, work harder, keep your head down. And what did I get in return? A pay cut that sliced my income in half. Not because I did anything wrong, not because I lacked skills, not because I wasn't valuable, but because someone else had the power to decide my worth. And when someone else has that kind of control over you, that's not stability, that's dependency. That's the moment I realized I wasn't building a future. I was just buying time until something changed. Except nothing changes until you change. The craziest part is that most people never stop long enough to ask themselves why they're stuck. They wake up tired, they work all day, they go home drained, they recover on the weekend, and then Monday hits and they repeat the same cycle. And somewhere along the way, they stop dreaming, they stop believing, they stop imagining a life where they could actually feel alive. They settle, not because they're weak, but because the world convinces them that settling is normal. They tell you to be grateful for your job. They tell you to be patient. They tell you to wait your turn. But if you look around, how many people actually get that turn? Most people spend their entire lives working jobs that drain them, environments that don't value them, schedules that suffocate them, and paychecks that barely keep them afloat. And the worst part, they think it's their fault. They think they're not good enough. They think they're not skilled enough. They think they're not disciplined enough. But it's not them. They're not broken. The system is. See, the job you're in right now costs you way more than you realize. It's not just the gas or the coffee or the takeout. It's the stress, the anxiety, the missed sunsets, the missed dinners with friends, the missed trips, the missed moments with family, the missed opportunities, the missed memories. Your job might be paying you a salary, but the hidden price tag is your life. People say time is money, but that's not true. Time is more valuable than money because you can always make more money, but you'll never get more time. And that's when it hit me. If I don't change something, I'm going to look back one day and realize that I traded the only life I have for a paycheck that never matched my worth. That's when I shifted from waiting for my life to change to taking responsibility for the direction it was going. And that's when everything changed. I didn't know everything. I didn't have experience. I didn't have a backup plan. But I did have a decision to make, a simple one. Stay stuck or start building something that actually gave me freedom. And the moment I made that choice, even before I had results, I felt something snap inside of me. For the first time, I felt in control. And here's the truth nobody wants to admit. High status people, the ones you admire, the ones you look up to, the ones living with freedom, they don't wait for life to get easier. They don't wait for the perfect moment. They don't wait for permission. They start before they feel ready. They start before they feel confident. They start before they know how it'll turn out. And that's exactly why they win. The people who stay stuck, the ones who stay behind, they wait. They wait until next month. They wait until next year. They wait until next life. They wait until they feel ready. They wait until life slows down, but life never slows down. Life will pass you by whether you're ready or not. So the question is never, am I ready? The real question is, am I willing? And when I asked myself that question, something shifted inside of me because I realized that everything I wanted, more time, more freedom, more peace, more options, more opportunity, more income, it all lived on the other side of one decision. Now, before I go deeper, if you're listening to this and you can feel something inside of you waking up, go to sevenfiguremonk.com right now. Watch the video. See how the system works, because sometimes the thing holding you back isn't lack of ability, it's lack of exposure. When you see what's possible, your belief elevates instantly. Go to sevenfiguremonk.com, then come back and keep watching. So let me explain how I went from being underpaid and overlooked to building an automated business that earns while I sleep. I didn't want another job. I didn't want another boss. I didn't want another schedule controlling my life. I wanted something that gave me room to breathe, something that didn't require me to create my own product or spend months trying to figure out tech, something that didn't require me to chase people or beg for sales. I wanted a proven system, a real system, something that worked even when I wasn't working. And that's exactly what I found. This business is a done-for-you automated system that gives you everything that you need. Digital products you don't have to create, where you earn 100% profit, $600, $900, and $1,400 commissions, a website done for you, a fully automated email system that follows up for you, step-by-step training, daily millionaire mentor sessions inside of the community, weekly live training from 6 and 7 figure income earners, and a blueprint that shows you how to build income on a simple 2-hour workday. You don't need tech skills. You don't need experience. All you need is Wi-Fi, a phone, 2 hours a day, and the willingness to be coachable, consistent, and confident. And here's the wild part. Once you set it up once, your system, it keeps running. I've made money while I slept. I've had $1,400 days. I've had $1,800 days. I've made multiple 5 figures total with this business. And yes, results are typical. Everything's based on your action, so don't be typical. But the real win isn't the money. The real win is the peace. The real win is waking up and not feeling heavy, waking up and feeling free, waking up and feeling like your life finally belongs to you again. Most people have never felt that. Most people don't even know what that feels like. They've been living in survival mode for so long that they've mistaken it for normal. And the longer you stay in survival mode, the more your dreams shrink, the more your confidence fades, the more your identity collapses into who the world told you to be instead of who you were meant to become. But when you build an automated digital business like this, something powerful happens. Your identity starts to rise, your status starts to rise, your confidence starts to rise because you're no longer waiting for permission. You're no longer hoping things get better. You're taking ownership of your life. And that's what separates people who stay stuck from people who rise. The old world taught you that your job equals your value. But the new world teaches you that your value comes from your decisions. And if you've been feeling stuck, tired, overlooked, or underpaid, it's not because you're not capable. It's because you're operating in a system that was never designed to make you free. And when you realize that, something inside you refuses to keep playing small. You deserve a life where you're not counting days until the weekend. You deserve a life where you're not exhausted. You deserve a life where you have time for friends, family, travel, experiences, your passions, your peace. You deserve a life where your income comes from your consistency, not someone else's approval. People think freedom is about luck. It's not. Freedom is about leverage. Freedom is about systems. Freedom is about decisions. Freedom is about taking action. And freedom is about timing. Right now, you are living at the only moment in human history where ordinary people can build extraordinary income online using nothing but a phone. You don't need a degree. You don't need permission. You don't need a huge following. You don't need to be a tech genius. All you need is a proven system and a willingness to plug in. And I'm telling you right now, if you don't take this opportunity seriously, someone else will. someone with the same fears, someone with the same doubts, someone with the same excuses, someone watching this exact video. The only difference between you and them is they chose to act. People always ask me, Dan, what was the moment that everything changed for you? It wasn't a big paycheck. It wasn't a big milestone. It wasn't the day I made $1,400 in my sleep. It was the day I finally said, I'm done waiting. I'm done settling. That was the day I became unstoppable. Not because I felt ready, but because I was tired of feeling stuck. So let me ask you something. Not as a marketer, not as a coach, but as someone who's been exactly where you are right now. How much longer are you going to wait to change your life? How much longer are you going to settle for the same paycheck, the same stress, the same routine, the same exhaustion? How many more moments are you willing to miss before you finally say enough? Because this is the truth. In 6 months, you are going to be one of two people. You're either going to be someone who took action and built freedom, or someone who watched this video and did nothing. Both paths will cost you something, but only one path pays you back. Go to sevenfiguremonk.com right now and watch how this system works. See the blueprint, see the numbers, see the process, see what your life can look like if you decide to act today, right now. Your future self is watching you right now, hoping you don't quit, hoping you don't settle, hoping you don't let fear make your decisions anymore. Success is not for the perfect. Nobody's perfect. It's for the willing. Freedom is not for the lucky. It's for the bold. And peace is not for someday. It's for people who choose today. Go to sevenfiguremonk.com. Start the journey. The life you want is waiting for you, but it won't wait forever.